What's up guys, Call of Duty King Start here, and today I'm going to do a Nerf gun review. Let's get into it. Let me walk over there. See them? So I got these little tin Nerf guns. They're really good. This one, you can take off the back and make it just a pistol, and you can do this with it, and you can put this on your pocket with this, and I'm going to show you how it shoots. So you take this, take the bullet, and let me just take this out. So you take this, roll that back, put this in, put the bullet in, take it, and now that's that gun. And now for this one. This gun curves, so I'm gonna try to hit it. Hope you liked this video, and subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Antonio O'Brien, and peace. Hold on, let me just get a good, okay, bye.